Welcome to our Rockin' for collaboration, where this week's theme is... We don't have a theme. And I'm 2 days out, and I don't know what to do. I'm in trouble. Okay, guys, I got it. This beautiful woman. She makes coasters. I know her. Louise McKay Art. She's on my collaboration. I messaged her and said, hey, what do I do with these things? These things. These little wooden things. What do I do with them? She helped me out, and I'm gonna get you down, and we're gonna bloom on them. Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Angela Bliss Art. I'm Angela Bliss. You have reached us through our Thursday Rockin' Pour collaboration. Before me was the beautiful Lori Houston from Lori Houston Art, and before her was Louise McKay Art. Louise, these are dedicated to you. I've never done anything this small, so she gave me good advice. She told me to use Kills, she told me to gesso them, and she told me to varnish them. So I have done that, and I'm gonna move these over, and we're gonna do one at a time. I'm kind of just winging it here, but what I wanna do is, I kind of think of this as my Christmas ornament size, right? So I have my blower, I have my motorcycle hose, and I mixed up some beautiful colors today. I have Arteza Pearl Lilac, TLP Hammerhead, TLP Zeus, Liquitex Basics, Quinacridone Magenta, Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet, Amsterdam White. That's just a paint mixed with the pouring medium. And then I have for the cell activator, or the CA, as I like to call it, I have a Amsterdam Paints Gray. And then my base paint, of course, is the PPG Multi-Pro White and Pastel base in Eggshell. So we're just gonna get started here. I'm not gonna pour very much on. I don't have very much in this can, but I always seem to pour too much, so we all know that about me. Louise will tell me if I did too much. I'm just going to dam this up a little. Hopefully I don't have too much on here. Looks like it'll be all right. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the Liquitex Basics Quinacridone Magenta. Then I'm going to top that with a blue. It's Hammerhead TLP. The Zeus, which reminds me of Cunag a little bit. Permanent Blue Violet. Arteza Pearl Lilac. A little bit more of that Cunag Magenta, just because I want to. Love this color. I need my white. This is not cell activator, this is just white paint. And the cell activator, which is Payne's Gray. Got my little trusty blower here. Let's see if we can't blow this out. We want to thank you guys for hanging out with us on Thursday nights, as you always do. We appreciate it. Love that color combination. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm going to fill in these little parts that are still kind of dark. Please let me know in the comments what you think about the color palette, the mix, how'd I do for my first little coaster, round coaster set, I guess. It's probably gonna spin off, but okay. So pretty, super, super pretty. All right, spin her out. Getting that off the edge. See Louise doing this all the time, so I'll just make sure that I have it lipped over here. Super pretty combo. I like it. Okay, let's give it a twirl. Oh, super pretty, super pretty. Make sure I got it all off. One more time for good measure. It's covered. Guys, so pretty. One down, 3 to go. Okay, and I think I'm gonna either cover the backs or I'm gonna paint the backs. I haven't decided yet. It's the first time for me to do these, so. All right, let's do it again. Number 2. You guys remember how I layered those? I don't. Number 2. Number 3. And get these done here. I always tend to choose things that take way too much time and I have to cramp them into little bitty space. Guys, when I'm done here, please stay tuned for Amber with Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. She comes on right after me at 7:15 tonight. Looks like a little fantasy world in there, doesn't it? Super amazing. Hopefully these turn out okay, guys, and I can show you what they look like when they're done. I'm just gonna get this last one done here. Again, as I always say, I appreciate you coming to watch my channel. We appreciate you guys being here for our collaboration. We can't wait to see you next week on Thursday night. Same place, same time. And the last one. The other camera just went off. I can't touch it because I paint, so this one's went off a few times. You guys can see that, very pretty. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up and I will show you guys the dried results when they're dry. Be right back. Okay guys, I was going to show you dried results, which they're almost dry, but they worked. I used Kiehl's primer, I used Gesso, I used a varnish, and they still worked. The package smelled like pine, so pretty sure that was the problem. And a couple of them smeared a little bit. There's only one left that really didn't, but I don't know if you can see how warped that is. Can you see how warped that is? Pretty warped. Yeah. But kind of bummed out because they're really pretty. I love the color combination, so I'm glad you got to see the process in the colors that I used, and you saw them wet and they were beautiful. But I did find some tile from back, I guess, 1972, because that's when my house was built. And I'll clean them up and take the backs, and I am ready to try it again. Hopefully you guys will see that video soon. So thank you guys for being with us. We appreciate it. Now let's head on over to Amber's channel with Amber's Awfully Awesome Art. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.